In this video, I'm going to talk about agent experience profile. Now, agent experience profile is a profile explicitly set for an agent. It creates targeted app experiences for agents and supervisors. It's an alternative to building a custom apps. Agent experience profile encompasses various settings like custom profile with the entity session template, conversation channels, productivity pane, inbox view, channel providers. Now, AEP, Agent Experience Profile, can be assigned to a user. Now, the user can only be assigned to one profile. So, if you want to add another profile to a user, you may need to delete the one which you have created, the reference, and attach it to the new Agent Experience Profile. Agent productivity tools use intelligence and automation to enable agents to find answers to the customer questions and help resolve customer issues quickly. Now, remember, agent experience profile has some sort of a default profile which comes out of the box. Some of them are customer service workspace, the default profile, customer service workspace plus inbox default profile, customer service workspace plus channels default profile. And this one is a combination of customer service workspace channels plus inbox plus default profile. And then we have omnichannel for customer service default profile. Now, apart from that, you can also create your own profile. Now, what does the profile contains? Okay. Now, under workspaces, you can go to agent experience profile and create a targeted app experience for agents and supervisors instead of building and maintaining a custom app. Now, all the users who you assign it to the profile will be able to view the configuration settings set in the agent experience profile. Now, one of the setting is entity session template. So this session template is a combination of attributes and application tab related information that can be reused. So when a agent logs in to the portal, the agent will see a pre-defined application tab to work on for that specific session. Now, in order to aid in that session, there is something called as a productivity pane. Now, you can turn on and off the productivity pane. Default mode, you can set it to expanded or off. And then in the productivity pane, you will find join a Teams call, Teams chat, knowledge search, agent script, smart assist. You can turn those settings on and off. Then you have an inbox view. Inbox is basically a view which mimics like an Outlook interface. Okay, and it is technically a view for an entity through which you can view various views for a specific entity. Now, I'm going to go through that in the demonstration, so don't worry about this. Channel providers. Here you can set up all the active channels, all the third party voice channel providers for that specific agent. On the right hand side, you see all the agent experience profiles view, which is created. Now, the only one which you see over here, Girish agent experience profile, this is the custom profile created by me. Rest all comes out of the box. Anything which comes out of the box is locked, so that means you can't edit agent experience profile. Let's see in the demo. I'm in the customer service admin center. If you go into agent experience under workspaces, here you will see agent experience profile as an option. It creates targeted app experience for agents and supervisors. Click on manage. Now, here I will see the entire list of agent experience profile. I have two profiles created, Girish agent and Girish VIP agent X profile, which is a custom profile. I can turn this profile, like if you see here, if I can edit this, I can set rank and roles. I can set as default. Okay. Now, if I do an edit, I can assign a user, I can assign entity session template, I can configure inbox, channel providers, productivity pane. Now, let me go back and show it to you that there is an option to set rank and roles, people rank and role assignment. So I can assign the roles which is available in your Power Platform Admin Center, this particular profile. Okay. Now, take this off. Let me go into one of the agent experience profile which I have created. Now, what I've done, when I create this agent experience profile, I need to add a user to it. So I can click on edit and I can add the assigned user. So this is the assigned user. I can add other user as well. Okay. So let's say if I want to add Johanna, I add Johanna over here, and Johanna will be assigned to this particular profile. Let me close this. Entity session template. Now here you can edit and add a session template which is based on entity. Now if I click on add, then I can select case because that's the only session template which is available for me. What if I am not happy with that? I can create my own entity session template, and then session template basically defines the session behavior. It includes the communication panel, application templates, and tools specific to a session. Productivity pane. I can completely turn off the productivity pane, or I can turn on. I can make it expanded or collapsed. I can selectively pick the productivity pane to be say knowledge search. If I don't want knowledge search, I can turn this off. I can turn off the Teams chat. So those sort of things I can do over here. So let me turn this Team chat on, and agent scripts and smart assist is also turned on. So I can save and close this. Okay. Now channel providers. Now here in channel providers, I can it's basically about omni-channel and unified routing. Every channel you set up with omni-channel unified routing will be included in this profile. I can turn this on, and then I can select third-party voice channel providers over here. I don't have any third-party voice channel provider configured, so that's why you're not seeing anything in this drop list. You can create a channel providers if you wish to desires. So now I'll turn this off, save and close. Inbox. Here I can turn on, enable the inbox view, or turn off, and I can add the inbox view. Now I can create a specific view, and then I can select either email or case. Okay, I can select the records to appear in this view. I can mark it show or hide. Okay, now I have what I've done over here is like I have three different items: closed work item, my work item, open work item. I can say that I don't want to see the closed work item. So maybe I'll just hide this up. Okay. And I click on save and close. And this agent experience profile is configured. Now let's go back to the agent. Let me refresh this agent's interface. And then let me show you what is exactly an agent experience profile. Okay. Now the thing which we configured for agent Alex. So this is an agent Alex. I'm logged in as agent Alex. You can see on the top there's an inbox. Now why it appears? Because we have turned this inbox on over here. Okay, so this is related to inbox. Now if I click on inbox, I can see my work item, closed work item, open work items. Okay. Now let's refresh this because the changes are not yet persisted in the back end. So let me refresh this. And if I click on inbox, then I'm seeing only my work item and open work items. Now, why I'm only seeing two items? Because over here, I'm explicitly telling that I don't want to see the close work item. So this is hidden. Okay. Now, if I want, I can turn this on. Now, how this inbox view looks like is kind of an Outlook based interface. You will be able to see my work item, and then you can start working on the case. As there are no cases assigned to Alex, that's why you're seeing it as empty. But if there had been a case, then you would have seen in like an Outlook kind of a fashion whereby you can see the list over here, and then the preview will be available on the right hand side. If you go to home, here you will see all the activities. Okay. Now I have not configured this particular agent, but then I can show it to you on my interface, like how the productivity pane looks like. Okay, so if you are in omnichannel for customer service view, and let me trigger a chat. Okay. Now I'm triggering a chat just to show you how the productivity pane looks like. So once this chat is triggered, it will prompt for a survey, which I'll just put it some default value, submit this, and an agent will be assigned. So agent has been assigned. So let me see if I can receive the conversation. Let me mark myself available, and I received this conversation. So I'll accept this. Now, assume that if an agent logs into the portal, then and if he starts working on the case, on the right hand side, the things which you see is called as a productivity pane. So here I can see agent scripts, I can see smart assist, I can see Teams chat, I can see the knowledge search. Okay, now from where all the settings are coming? It's coming from here. So there's a Teams chat, there's an agent script, there is a smart assist, there is a join a Teams call. So you can selectively turn on and off based on what feature you want to set against that specific agent. So that's it, folks. This is all about setting up and configuring agent experience profile for a specific agent in Dynamics 365 customer service omnichannel application. Thanks for watching.